Hey guys, it's Tamisha from Toolbox Divas, and we're going to talk about last minute updates just before the holidays. Let's start indoors. I'm going to tackle my powder room for visiting holiday guests. This powder room is extremely outdated. The vanity didn't quite fit the space. But for a small space, I don't need a whole lot. So I started by painting the walls with a coat of white paint. Then I did the smartest, quickest tile job for an accent wall that you could possibly do using smart tiles. Smart tile is a really easy solution for those wanting to save money, or if you're a renter, all you do is peel and stick, caulk the edges to make it a smooth finish, and that's it, you're done. Once my accent wall was done, I went back in and changed out the light fixture for this beautiful gold light fixture that complements this gold ornate mirror well. Then I swapped out the vanity for a vanity that actually fits the space. Then I finished up the space and installed this acrylic napkin holder and put up artwork that I made myself. Details on all the items that I sourced from the Home Depot can be found below in the description. Now, let's head outdoors. Decorating outdoors doesn't have to be a daunting task. I found some of the best inflatables at the Home Depot this year, like Baby Sven from Frozen. It is so cute and cuddly. The key is to have fun with your space. And don't get too serious and fussy. Let your imagination run wild. I worked around the items that's in my backyard, and I even incorporated my daughter's slide. And yes, that is a Christmas unicorn. It's a thing. Now, while I love my inflatables, I also incorporated some more traditional items like garlands, wreaths, and yard sculptures like this angelic angel. I finished everything up by covering up the wires and the base of the sculptures with some mulch. So I hope this video inspires you on some last minute things that you can do before the holidays, indoors and as well as outdoors. And I love the way all of this turned out, and I love it even more at night. And all of the items used can be found at the Home Depot, online, or in stores. Details on the items I used can be found below in the description. Alright guys, make it magical. Happy holidays.